Erica, I'm here today to commit myself to you. There is so much joy and happiness in my life with you in it. I don't ever want to lose that. And I promise here today in front of all our friends and family that I will never stop loving you. Erica, I will support your every ambition and dreams. You can look for me on your sidelines and always be there cheering you on. I want you to know I will do everything in my power to give you the life you deserve, one filled with joy, care, and respect, no matter what life has in store for us. I vow to be your partner through all of it. I will protect and comfort you always. I will laugh at you during the good times and hold you tight during the bad times. I'm even willing to endure your addiction to horrible reality television. There's no one else I'd rather journey through this life with, and baby, our journey's just getting started.
By the power vested in me by the state of New York, I have the pleasure to pronounce you husband and wife. Would you like to kiss your wife?
I would like to.
Say may I.
May I?
I'm only kidding. Go for it. I have one more thing to say. I'm picturing you for the very first time. Mr. and Mrs. Lopez!
This doesn't happen twice. You must be my once in a lifetime, in a lifetime. You must be my once in a lifetime. So before the storm is past, I just wanna ask, can we make this moment last? So before the storm is past, I just wanna ask.
Mike, I love you for so many different reasons. I love when I'm around you, no matter where we are, I feel like I'm home. I love how hardworking and dedicated you are to everything in your life. Mike, I promise to be your life partner and to support and comfort you through all of life's joys and sorrows. I promise to always be honest and truthful with you and to not get too mad when you're playing your computer games all night long. I vow to create a life filled with love and adventure and to never stop laughing with you. You will never feel alone or without a friend. I will love you and care for you every day for the rest of my life so long as we both show it.
You must be my once in a lifetime.